Hi everyone, welcome to Kalanjam Tutorials. Today we'll see how to create a new project in PyCharm. So we'll create a new Hello World project in PyCharm. So click on New Project and give a name Hello World, Hello World or App on, anything you want it. So app01. I'm just creating an app01. Create. So it's preparing for a new project creation. New project got created. Here you can see app01 and you can see external libraries. So what are the required libraries will be automatically downloaded from the online. So we have to create the files in the app01 project. So you right click on the app01 project and go to new and Python files. Set a Python file. We are going to create a Python file. So file name. So we can give app01. Okay. So I either my project name as well app01. It's a file name also app01. So you can see the Python file here. Okay. So once created, we are going to use the print statement. So let's see how the print statement works in the Python project. So print. So it automatically comes as a autocomplete and the program like technical word we used called as a intelligence. So enter. So in the double quotes, you can give a string. So if you are not giving in the double quotes, it will be considered as a number. Hello world, Kalanjam tutorials. So you can run the project by going to the run and click on run. So it automatically pop up which file we have to run it and click on app01 and you can run it. Here you can see the output of the program. So if you want to run again and again, so just copy paste the line to the next one. So you can run it here. So it two times prints hello world welcome Kalanjam tutorials and here also you can run it. So the next one is it's a debugging one. So when debug is an important process, we'll discuss about later. I'm going to write a simple diagram here. So diagram, so using the print statement. So print, so in the double quotes, I'm just giving a thing. And the next one, I'm giving a pipeline here. So run this project and you can see some kind of diagram here. So if you want, you can put here as well. So it's kind of some diagram. So where we can write it here. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you need any improvements in this video, let us know.